Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. NEO ES8 wait time has dropped again. The CEO promised a full year of profitability. As production ramps up, exceeds targets, strengthening market availability. The estimated delivery time for the third generation NEO ES8 has been reduced the fourth time in 6 weeks, demonstrating the company's success in rapidly scaling production to meet strong market demand. This just happened yet again yesterday, guys. Since its launch in late September, NEO has methodically increased manufacturing output, more than halving the delivery waiting period for its flagship three-row SUV. The progress highlights the operational efficiency at NEO's third production facility where the ES8 is manufactured. A rapid and steady production climb. As of Wednesday, customers ordering the ES8 can expect delivery in approximately 6 to 7 weeks. This is a significant improvement from the 8 to 9 weeks estimate just 2 weeks prior, and a remarkable reduction from the 24 to 26 week wait time at the model's launch. Excuse me, guys. The numbers behind this acceleration are impressive. Between the start of deliveries on September 21st, 2025 and January 31st, 2026, NEO successfully delivered 60,000 ES8s to customers. Production capacity has grown steadily, ramping up from roughly 280 units per day in September to a peak of over 800 per day in December. This is mind-boggling. In January, NEO maintained a robust delivery pace of 735 units per day with 17,646 ES8s registered in China during the month. The company's third factory exceeded its own targets, manufacturing 43,668 units of the ES8 in 2025. Nearly 3,700 more vehicles than planned. This performance demonstrates NEO's ability to achieve a production capacity of roughly 20,000 to 25,000 ES8s per month, effectively working through the initial order backlog. Now remember, guys, this is our highest margin cars. So even if our other cars have slowed down and the ES8 picks up, this is actually a positive for us. In a move reflecting its customer-first approach, NEO has proactively addressed a temporary global shortage of audio signal processing chips. The company announced a transparent solution for vehicles affected by the shortage starting March the 2nd. While a temporary workaround will be implemented, NEO is offering affected buyers 20,000 NEO points, approximately $290 as compensation. The company has assured customers that full hyper-immersive sound field functionality can be accessed and restored later via a paid hardware retrofit once chip supply stabilizes. This approach ensures minimal delivery delays while maintaining open communications with customers. Looking ahead, a strong product roadmap. The reduction in ES8 wait times coincides with the exciting upcoming launch of the NEO ES9, set to be unveiled on April 10th, with deliveries beginning June 1st. The ES9 will expand NEO's premium SUV lineup, joining the ES8 as a flagship offering. This natural evolution of the product line provides customers with even more choices in the premium segment. The ES8's strong market position was evident in December when 22,258 deliveries made it China's best-selling SUV in the 400,000 yuan segment by single-month volume. With production capacity now fully optimized, NEO is well positioned to maintain strong availability for both the ES8 and the forthcoming ES9, ensuring customers can experience these advanced electric vehicles without extended waiting periods. The company's continued investment in manufacturing capability and its strategic approach to supply chain management demonstrates NEO's commitment to delivering high quality vehicles efficiently to the growing number of EV buyers in China and beyond. This is why I've always said on this channel from the very start, minus speed bumps. I've always said it's a game, and once you understand the game, you are ready to make millions. You don't have to beg for share buybacks. You don't have to beg the company to slow down building out battery swap stations because you want the company's stock to go up quickly so you can make $10, $20, $30,000. You don't need to do all of that. You don't need to poop your pants and say the company will delist itself. None of that has come to pass, has it, my dear lads? What will come to pass is that we are going to become multi-millionaires. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.